Hi everyone, my name is Mandy Peterson and I am the designer and photographer for Inspired Love Co. Today I'm going to show you how to insert your designs into the mockups that I sell online. So if you're unsure what mockups are, they are stock photography images where you can digitally add your invitation designs into. And then once you've done that, you can post these images on your storefront to sell your own digital products. So once you have purchased your mockup online, this is my store. Just to show you a quick example, there are many mockups that you can choose from. You would buy your, choose which mockup you want here, and then you would get a link to download these files. These files are large, so they are saved on a Google Drive link. Once you've purchased your mockup, you'll get that link and you can download it from there. I shoot all my own photos and I set up the smart objects in Photoshop. Photoshop Smart Objects is a simple, easy way for you to add your digital design where once it's done, and I'm going to show you right now how to do that, you can upload to your store. It really does save you time and it saves you a lot of money because time is money, essentially. So let's go have a look at Photoshop, right? So you're going to open your file in Photoshop. Here I've already inserted a mock-up image in here so that you can see, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to change it out. Okay, so here in Photoshop, if you're unfamiliar with it, you have a panel on the right-hand side and it's called your Layers panel. The Layers panel is essentially all the layers of your design. Now, if you design in templates or cordial, you'll be familiar with this. So here you go. It says the name of the sizes of the cards. If you double click on the area where there is text, it's going to open a section where you can change what the layer is called. You don't want to do that. You are going to double click the icon, the smart object icon. So once you've double clicked the icon, it will open the file where you can replace your design. Now, there are many ways to do this. You can open the location where your file is and you can drag and drop. Otherwise, you can go File Embedded, Place Embedded in Photoshop, and browse to the folder where you've saved your files. This size that I am replacing is a 5x7, so I'm going to choose the invitation design. I'm going to place it in there. Here, you just need to push enter on your keyboard or push the check mark over here. Then you save this, right? Then when you navigate back to the original file, you'll see that the mockup has been updated. Now, you can also show and hide the files to see which layer you're updating. But here, once again, you double click the icon, you go File, Place Embedded, or you use your shortcut to get to your folder, and then you choose the file that you want to update. Over here, I'm going to do that. I'm going to push enter and I'm going to go save and navigate back to my design, and you can see, oh, I've got two designs here that with the same image. So why don't I replace the top one? I'm going to go File, Place Embedded, and I'm going to replace it potentially with this design. Let's see what that looks like. Press enter and you go File, Save. And there you go. There you have it. The design is easily updated. It looks great. Then all you need to do is go File, Save as a JPEG, and you can get your design to market really fast. This is the simplest, easiest way to use markups. You don't need Photoshop. There is free software online where you can potentially use the JPEG version of the stock photo. Personal opinion, for me as a designer that has been working in Photoshop for 20 years, this is the most seamless way and the fastest way. I am going to be posting more videos on how to make your workflow a lot faster in getting your products live. especially with using mockups. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, like and share below. And you know what? I'll enjoy creating with you more later. Thanks again. Bye.